Welcome back to Musical You. I'm your resident guitar pro, Dylan Welsh, and this month's resource pack, we're talking about major and minor chords and scales and the difference between them. First of all, I just want to talk about being able to hear the difference between a major and a minor sound, because that's really important. And it's not that hard because they sound very distinct, and after experimenting, it should be pretty easy for you to tell the difference. E major, E minor. They both evoke a completely different emotional response. Generally, people consider major to sound happy, minor to sound sad. Does that make sense? Can you hear that? I'll do it again. Now, I do have one exercise for you guys this month. What I would like for you to do is I'd like you to take a major scale in a major key, or all your major scales and all your major keys, and convert them into minor scales. I'm going to up the ante on the challenge, however, by one step. If you go back to my major scale resource pack, you'll notice that one of the exercises I talk about involves playing a major scale up and down one string, just one string at a time. As always, let me know in the forums if you have any questions or just want to open up something to discuss. I'm around and we'll be happy to help you out as much as I can. Have a great month. I hope you guys enjoy that. Thanks.